This is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be talking about our sync screen feature. So this is helpful when we're going through a document with a signer and we want to be looking at things at the same time with them and possibly pointing them to different parts of their document. So we want to turn on the sync screen. We need to go over here to this drop down and we see we have a few options. We can do sync screen. We can also sync screen and cursor. This will be helpful, for example, if we're on a multi-page document and we need to point a signer or signers to where they need to look or things they may need to look at. It might be helpful to have the sync screen and cursor. Sometimes we're just moving to different pages together and it would be helpful to just sync the screen. Now, when signers are signing different parts of the document, or if you're signing and there are multiple signers and they're signing and dating different pages, it might be helpful to turn off the session sync completely. But at least you have options to either be all together or on different pages doing different things to make the signing go smoothly. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.